Find or read reviews that people are talking about QTLLBT 9 languages translation watch, smartwatch. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Smart communication tools. QTLLBT supports instant translation and text-to-speech in 9 major languages: Chinese, English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, Japanese, Arabic. Combined with Bluetooth voice call function, it can easily cope with cross-border communications and daily conversations, making communication seamless across borders. Long-lasting battery and protection. QTLLBT equipped with a 300 mAh battery, it has an ultra-long standby time of 30 days and can be continuously used for 15 days. With IP68 level waterproof performance, it is not afraid of daily splashing and rain, protecting your use. Personalized sports companion. QTLLBT, the 1.83-inch high-definition screen supports DIY watch faces to meet personalized needs. At the same time, it has 100 sports modes, adapting to various sports scenarios and recording your sports style. Considerate and practical design. QTLLBT equipped with a unique built-in LED flashlight, it can illuminate the way ahead at any time when the light is insufficient, adding convenience to your life. Comprehensive Health Guardian. QTLLBT accurately monitors sleep quality, steps, heart rate, and women's menstrual cycles, providing comprehensive health data to help you scientifically manage your health condition. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.